This is Dr. Vamsi Mohan. So here in this session, I will be discussing about some examples on method of sections and method of joints. Okay. So first example reads like this. Okay. So it is to find the forces in the members A, B, C, D, and E, F of the given frame. Okay. So A, B, E, F, and C, three members. So for this, we follow the method of sections. Okay. And generally, we take the section cutting all the three members if possible. If not, we will take two sections, separate sections. So here, if you take the section like this, cutting all the three members, okay, we can consider the section like this. Also, we find the reactions VA and VD. So taking moments about A, we get VD into 3 is equal to 15 into 2. Okay, VD into 3 is equal to 15 into 2, or VD is equal to 10 kilonewtons, and hence VA is equal to 5 kilonewtons. Okay, VA is 5 kilonewtons. Okay, now let us consider the forces to be tensile, that means acting away from the joints. So force in member BA acts away from B here, similarly away from C here, and away from F here, because we are considering top portion. We are considering the top portion of the frame. We will consider either top portion or bottom portion on one side of the section cutting plane. Okay. So with this, we have to select the point to take moments, and we will select that point such that two of the unknowns will be eliminated. Okay, that means generally the point of intersection of two forces PCD and PEF. Okay, yeah, these two intersect at point E. We call this not E, we take it as G. Okay, that means this is perpendicular. FG is perpendicular to CD. Okay, and what is the length CG? CG is 1.5 meters. Okay, CG is 1.5 meters. So now take moments about G. Take moments about G. So by doing this, you can eliminate PCD and PEF, two of the forces. So you will have PAB and this 15 kilonewtons force. Okay. So taking moments about about G, sorry, about G. So you will have the moments of forces 15 kilonewtons and PU, isn't it? So what are the moments of PAB? PAB into, what is this distance? 3, isn't it? PAB into 3, this is anti-clockwise, is equal to, not is equal to here, both are anti-clockwise. So 15 into 1 is equal to 0. Okay, so it gives PAB is minus 5, minus 15 by 3. So what does this negative sign indicate? The force is compressive. The force is compressive, because we have assumed it tensile, but it acts actually towards the joint. That means compressive. Similarly, you select the point H here, so that you can eliminate PEF and PAB, and you will have the force PCD. P CD. Okay. So considering moments about H. Okay. So you'll have PCD into 3 is equal to 15 into 2. Yeah, from here it is 2 meters. Okay. So PCD is equal to 30 by 3. 30 by 3. This is 30. 30 by 3, that is 10. And it is positive. So positive means the assumed direction is correct. That is tensile. So PCD is tensile and PAB is compressive. And how will you get this? For that, we can take moments about C. About C or about E. Anything is okay. So taking moments about C. Okay. We will have PAB, that is minus 5 into 3, okay, plus 15 into 1 is equal to, because these two are anti-clockwise and this is clockwise, so PEF into 1.5. So minus 15 plus 15, so this is 0. So finally you get PEF 0. PEF 0. Okay. So that's how we can find the forces in any of the given members by using the method of sections. Okay. If you follow the method of joints, then you need to find all the forces. Forces in all the members. Okay. Yeah. Sometimes we will be required to find force in any of the members, particular member. In that case, we better follow the method of sections, not method of joints. There is one more example. Consider this. So to determine the force in the chain, that is the pull in the chain, so that AD is horizontal. So it is a cantilever frame actually, and it is held by applying a pull, okay, in the chain connected at C. Let this force be P. And pull is applied such that the member AD remains horizontal. Okay. So here, what you can do, you can consider the free body diagram of entire frame. That means you replace this support by the reactions HA and VA. So what will you get here? HA and VA. Yeah, considering the components of these 2 kilonewtons, this is 2 sin 45 and this is 2 cos 45. That is both are root 2. Okay? 2 cos 45 means 1 by root 2, isn't it? So it is root 2. Here also it is root 2 kilonewtons. So applying condition sigma of y equal to 0, you will have VA is equal to root 2. That is 1.414 kilonewtons. And to find HA, we will consider the moments about C. We will take moments about C. So what will you get by taking moments about C here? So HA into 0.9, HA into 0.9, HA into 0.9 plus root 2 into 0.9. Yeah, this one and this one. Both are at 0.9 meters, isn't it? And what else is there? VA, isn't it? So VA is also root 2, isn't it? 1.414 root 2 into, and what is its distance? 1.2 meters. Okay, 1.2. So HA is equal to, this is also, you can take root 2. So 1.2 minus 0.9, that is 0.3 into root 2 divided by 0.9. So it is root 2 by 3. Root 2 by 3. So it comes out to be 0.475 kilometers. 0.475 kilometers. Okay. So to find force in the chain, pull in the chain, we will take moments about A. Moments about A. So taking moments about A, so you will have P into 0.9 is equal to root 2 into 1.2. So P is equal to 1.2 by 0.9 into root 2. It is 4 by 3. 4 by 3. Taking moments about A. Okay. P into 0.9 equal to root 2 into 1.2, isn't it? That is P is equal to 4 by 3 root 2. And it comes out to be 1.889 kilometers. Okay. And once you find the force here, P, by considering each of the joints, we can find all these member forces. Okay. Already we have discussed a number of problems on this. Okay. We can use method of joints here to find the forces in all the members. Okay. After finding force P. That's all for today's session. Thank you.
Like, share and subscribe. Hit the bell icon for more updates.